Hi, my name is Amit Pranjvan. I am the Inside Sales Coordinator and Marketing Coordinator for Southwest Bindings. Today I will be talking about the 4012 and 76 Power Punch machines that we sell here at Southwest. These are our popular brands that a lot of print shops and corporate offices with high demand bindings will use. I would like to show you the benefits and the features of each of these machines. So here is our 4012 Power Punch machine. This is our entry-level machine that we have here for high-demand print shops and corporate offices. This is a perfect little machine for you. It takes up very little desk space and it punches quite a few sheets at a time. So if you're looking at punching 30 sheets at a time, this is the perfect machine for you. So the great thing about this model is you can change your binding system without changing the whole machine itself. This here has interchangeable dies. All you really have to do is unscrew the two screw knobs here and pull out your die. And doing this, you can actually change it from a plastic binding die, a wire die, or a plastic coil die. It's very easy to use. You pull it out, change your die, pull it back in, and screw the components back into place. Over here is your adjustment guide for 11-inch books. You can adjust this so it can punch 11-inch paper without punching an extra hole. Over here is your chip tray, and this will fill up over time. This is an on-demand punching machine, so right now it is on, but you can't hear it. Once you hit the foot pedal, the machine will activate. So if you're concerned with If you're concerned with noise in your office, you can have this machine running in the background without actually hearing the motor run. Sorry. So let's hit the foot pedal, put our sheets in. Very easy to use. So moving on, I would like to show you our 7650. The functionalities of this machine is great. It's again a punch-on-demand power punch machine. So the machine is running in the background, but you can't hear anything until you hit the foot pedal. You have your two disengageable die areas here. You have your viewable chip tray, which is right here. This is great because you can actually now see how many paper shreds you have in your machine. So in turn will help you prevent this machine from jamming up. You can take out your dies by disengaging your two pins and then pulling out the die like this. And you can push it back in like this, put your two pins back up, and now the dies are locked and ready to go. The great thing about this machine is now you can do 14-inch paper. So you can do letter or legal size. It comes with a retractable key, and this is when you have jams, use this key to put it into the machine and retract it counterclockwise. This will do about 55 sheets at a time. So let's take some paper. Put it into the machine, as so. Punch, and there you go. Here's your punch.